Now that you have seen how Python works with numbers, let's take it one step further. Python can do math just like a calculator, but it also lets you go beyond basic arithmetic. So, what are we learning next? We are going to look at math operators, the little symbols that tell Python what kind of calculation to do. You already know some of them, like plus for addition and minus for subtraction. But Python also gives us tools to divide numbers, find remainders, do floor division, and even raise numbers to powers. This table here gives you a quick peek at the different operators we'll be trying out. Don't worry about remembering all of them right now. We are going to see each one in action in just a minute. So I'm now going to open my terminal and launch Python. That puts me inside the Python interpreter, where I can try things out line by line and see instant results. Let's start simple. Python can do basic math just like a calculator. Watch this. I'll type n plus 5, and Python gives me 15. Straightforward, right? Let's try subtraction. 12 minus 3. That gives us 9. Multiplication. 4 times 6. Boom, 24. Now division. 8 divided by 2. Here's something interesting. Even though 8 divided by 2 is a whole number, Python gives me 4.0, not just 4. Why? Because Python says, hey, I'm giving you a float just in case you need the decimal. It's playing it safe, keeping that precision. But sometimes you don't want the decimal. You just want the whole number rounded down. That's where floor division comes in. I type 7//2 and I get 3. Not 3.5, just the whole part. It's like saying, how many full times does 2 fit into 7? Now what if you want the remainder? This is where the modulo operator comes in, just a fancy name. I type 7% 2 and I get 1 because 2 goes into 7 3 times and 1 is left over. Let's try exponents. You want 2 to the power of 3? 2 to the power of 3. That gives me 8. Python can handle powers too. Now here's something a lot of beginners don't notice at first. What happens if you mix an integer and a float? I'll type 5 plus 2.0 and I get 7.0, not just 7. Why? Because when one number is a float, Python automatically converts the result to a float to keep things accurate. Same thing here. 4 times 1.0. I get 4.0. So what's the takeaway? When you mix ints and floats, Python will always return a float, just to be safe. It assumes you might want that decimal detail later, and it doesn't want to lose precision. Alright, that's it. You now know how to add, subtract, multiply, divide, do floor division and get remainders, use exponents, and mix integers and floats without any surprises. This is all the core math you need in Python to get started building real things. Let's move on and do something fun next.